Hi, Roman Simantov with WorkHolding Solutions, and today we're going to review our first model, clamp holder, right here. So let's start, let's take a look. A little description about the piece. The body made out of stainless steel 303. The pins are made from reinforced metal 4340 in order to endure the constant pressure of closing and opening the ball vase. How does it work? Very simple. You just mount it on the micro GRS ball vase, and that's it. You're ready to go. A few features about this model. Why is it unique or better than something else that's on the market? A few reasons. First of all, a comfortable grip that allows any users to hold comfortably the piece that he works on. As so. Another feature is once somebody works on micro Pave as scoops, you can comfortably work with a micro motor handle without having interference. Right here you have enough space. Same goes if you're doing micro Pave cat down and you're cutting from down up. It's very comfortable, have enough space. Another feature is I noticed on the old GRS clamp holders, once you put them and you start closing it, because the pressure starts from underneath the jaws, so as soon as the clamps walls start to meet, it creates an opening above because of the pressure when you closing the thread. In order to compensate that, we designed a special angle that you're gonna see right now. As soon as I'm gonna start closing, you're gonna notice that the upper part of the clamp holder meets first, as you see right here, and then the lower part. That allows you a perfect tight grip for the ring that you're gonna work on. Another issue is right here we have slots designed on the inside wall. Why? So when you're gonna put the protective rubber, not to damage your ring, you're gonna apply crazy glue, and it's gonna stick much better to a slot surface instead of a smooth surface. So let's put a few rings and see how it looks. This is the clamp holder with the rubber. I prefer rubber. Why? Because I used to work with leather, and I found out that during time it creates a circle after you opening and closing, and in that circle the ring starts to move. So during your work some kind of deformation could possibly happen to your ring. So I prefer the rubber. Why? Because once you mount it and you start closing on the ring, the rubber expands in the inner dimension of the ring and gives you another support. So, comfortable grip for micro Pave scoops, comfortable approach for every angle. Same goes if you start doing cut down. For center stone, you have a comfortable approach from all angles. You can always lift the ball and see if the stone is leveled. Another feature that is very comfortable to work on different variety of techniques for stone setting. We sell micro Pave with center stone. You have a shear prong right here. For channels, it's very comfortable also. If you want to clean a little bit, if you want to cup it from above, very comfortable. I showed you right now how the clamp holder works on the micro GRS ball vase. Now I'm going to demonstrate how can you utilize the same piece on the standard GRS ball vase. We're going to take this out, put the ring aside. We're going to take out our adapters for standard GRS ball vase. Once again, the body made of stainless steel 303 and the pins are made from reinforced metal 4340 with nickel plating. All you have to do is just mount the adapter on top of the standard GRS ball vase. That's it, you're ready to go. You can enjoy the same application as you enjoyed for the micro GRS balls to the standard GRS ball vase. Let's mount a ring and see how it looks. and you're ready to go. Comfortable approach from every angle, tight grip, center stone is visible from both sides. Very easy to configure, very easy to use, very fast, allows you more precise work and more efficient for a different variety of setting techniques, as I showed right now. On our next video we're gonna demonstrate our next model, our cone mount, so please stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please like us on Facebook, on Instagram, share our videos on YouTube, and once again you're always welcome to visit our website at rsglobus.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time.